Hi students, we are continuing with class 7th GK part 2 from chapter 4 to chapter 10. So you are the higher class students, so I am not going to read and explain every chapter what is given here. I will just show you chapter wise answers. Okay, so first we will begin with chapter 4, animal trivia. Read the characteristics of animals given below. Write the name of the group to which it belongs. And answers are given at the end in help list. We can read this. I will zoom this. First answer is invertebrates. Second one porifera. Third one it is echinodermata. Fourth one mollusca. Fifth one pisces. Sixth one aves. Seventh one mammals. Eighth one amphibia. Ninth one annelids. 10th one reptilia. 11th one protozoans. 12th one nematodes. Okay, hope it's clear for you. So you can copy these answers. And now we will see the next chapter, an activity chapter. It is animal armor. You have to climb up a tree to escape from an angry dog. Just like you, animals have a defense mechanism too. There are different ways which they protect themselves from enemies. There are many kinds of defense mechanisms. These include bad smelling, then horns, teeth, claws, beak, hooves, spikes, and spines, quills, and also poison. What is this? So, if we want to save ourselves from enemies, so why do we run when we see a dog? Because we want to save ourselves from dog. The same way animals also are having this. You might have seen the plant touch me not. When we touch that plant, it gets into itself. Or there you might have seen the tortoise. Okay, what does it do when you touch on it? What does it? Just gets in its legs and head inside to the shell. So this is the way how they protect themselves. So there are different ways. See some pictures are given here. Some animals, a saddleback caterpillar's stinging hairs causes pain and swelling if we touch. Then next one, you see the smell this. An albatross chick throws up its smelly meals to keep predators away. This is the way how the animals protect themselves from other animals. Okay, so you just read that part, you can understand. Then next chapter is about try and match these smart creatures with the way they protect themselves. Okay, so the questions are given there. The first picture is of 8th one, then 10th one, 7th one, 2, 9th answer, 5th, 4th. The next one is 6th one, first one. Okay, so please write these answers on your notebook. Then the green earth. Read the following questions carefully and answer them by choosing the correct words from the help. How much surface of the earth is covered in by the rainforest? Answer is 2%. So answers are given there in help list. Okay. Second answer is pedicel. Third answer is Khaya ivorensis. Fourth answer is 4. Fifth answer is neem. Sixth one South Africa. Seventh one Brazil. Eighth one deciduous trees. Then ninth one panorogams. Panorgam we can say. This panerogams. Then okay, 10th one cryptogams. Now chapter 6, what is? Read the descriptions and name the plants. Pick your answer from the help list. And there are some trees or some plants, special plants, which have some special features. And you read the explanations what it is given there, and answers are given in the next page. What is first one? Elephant's food tree. Second one is saguaro. Third one water hyacinth. Fourth one it is resurrection fern. Fifth one mistletoe. Sixth one ocotillo. Okay. Then plants too have specially adopted survival and propagation features. But this name one smart plant species that can tell farmers when their crops are low on nutrition. Soya bean. Soya bean. That's it. When you divide the word soya. Okay. That's soya bean. Which smart plant is a parasite that sucks food from the host plant to enable the latter to make its food. That is strangleweed. Which tree can plan its own growth 2 years in advance based on the weather patterns? It is May apple tree. Then next one it is forest facts. Unscramble the letters to fill the blanks correctly. First one is deciduous. Second one is steppe. Third one is boreal. Fourth one is tidal. Fifth one is rainforest. Sixth one is savanna. Then, are you the forest kiss? Are you aware of these famous forests? Select your answer from the help list. This forest is a part of the world's largest delta formed by the rivers of Ganga, which is the answer Sundarbans. Second one is the Californian old growth forest. Third one, Sherwood forest. Fourth one, tropical mixed terrain Indian jungle. Now next one, it is environment quiz. Which country is the largest producer and consumer of energy in the world? It is USA. Which book has the record of the endangered species of flora and fauna of the world? It is Red Data book. This book is known as Red Data book. Who first predicted the greenhouse effect? Svante Arrhenius. Which famous extinct bird has become the symbol of extinction? Dodo. So like this answers are given, you can just mark from the picture. Okay, and all answers are given there. Then the next one is garbage out, 9th chapter. There are many things that pose a threat and a hazard to the environment. They are very difficult to dispose of. As a result, they affect the scenic beauty of the nature environment in many different ways and are a major cause of soil and water air pollution. For saving the environment, we should use only biodegradable substance. These substances can easily be changed to harmless and natural state by the action of bacteria. So here we are going to classify what is biodegradable and non-biodegradable. Biodegradable means which can be degraded, which can be changed into the normal form, which can be accepted by the nature. Non-biodegradable like plastic things we cannot change into its old form. Plastic is a non-biodegradable things. It cannot digest. Okay, and a sheet of glass, non-biodegradable. A piece of cloth, biodegradable. Polythene bags, non. Floppies, non. Vegetables and fruits, biodegradable. Plastic bottles, N. Metal containers, N. A piece of paper, biodegradable. Timber, biodegradable. Leaves, this is. Then, take the correct statement and cross the wrong one. Scenic beauty of environment is affected by the plastic bags. Yes, it is true. Polythene bags are easy to dispose of. False. Okay. So, next one, earth threats. So, this is a chapter of explanation. What it is, how the earth is threatened by some things. What are these things? When industrial flue gases containing hazardous chemical mix with the condensing water vapor, acid rain is caused. How acid rain is caused? The gases emitted by the factories, emitted out by the factories, when it is mixed with the water vapor, and it causes what? Acid rain. These pollutants may be automobile exhaust or coal, and these pollutants or gases can be come to the air or come to the nature through different ways. It can be through the smoke of the vehicles or from the factories. Acid rain result in the acidification of lakes and rivers, damage to the high altitude trees and sensitive forest soils. Beside it also damages monuments, sculptures, etc. And these are our cultural heritage. So what? Acid rain destroys the trees especially higher altitude, bigger trees, which goes length in heights. Then monuments, okay, and good buildings, it destroys. Then smoke, what is smoke? Smoke is a typical blend of smoke and fog. What it is smoke? Smoke is a mixture of smoke and fog, increasingly witnessed in many cities in the world. It causes a dark, smoky atmosphere that reduces visibility. Major cause of smog includes automobiles, fires, waste treatment plants, industrial pollutants, and paints. This causes serious heart and lung dysfunction in humans besides affecting animals and plants. Then global warming caused by greenhouse effect is a very serious threat to this planet and its inhabitants. It happens so when the lowest layer of the atmosphere and the earth's surface heats up due to excessive presence of carbon dioxide, methane, water vapor, and some other gases. Although this is essential process that supports life on earth, scientists believe that unregulated human activities may lead to dangerous levels of these harmful gases. Okay? Then what it is, we will find out the answers. Which flue gases cause the acid rain? It is sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxide. You can write the answer: sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxide. How is smog harmful to human beings? Smog causes heat and lung dysfunction on breathing problem and breathing problem. Smog causes heat and lung dysfunction and breathing problem. Name any two greenhouse gases. It is carbon dioxide and methane. Why is certain amount of greenhouse gases necessary to support life on earth? Because they act as a protective blanket for plants. Because they act as a protective blanket for plants. And the last one, which is what is the environment friendly methane rich gas formed by ferment animal dung, human sewage, and crop residue called biogas. This is not a pollutant gas. The other gases and smokes are pollutant, and this is an environment friendly gas which is normally we produce from the waste, either it's from the cow dung or human waste or from the food waste. We can produce this biogas. Name the device fitted in motor vehicles to reduce the emission of harmful chemicals. It is catalytic converter. So to control the smoke from the vehicles, we use this emission controller. What it is? Catalytic converter. Over which continent was a huge hole in the ozone layer first observed in? It is in Antarctica. Which of these pollutants is not found in vehicular exhaust emissions? It is mercury. Which among the following is the most energy efficient option used on at hot? High. It is light emitting diode, LED. Okay, light emitting LED bulbs. Okay, and this is about the complete GK, and we are completing here. The syllabus for unit term is completed here. So please write on your notebook or textbook the answers and complete it and learn well and prepare well for your exams. Thank you.